Trying to find the best fertility monitor to track your cycle with precision? You're in the right place. Whether you're planning for pregnancy or simply want better insights into your reproductive health, we've researched and reviewed the top fertility monitors to help you choose the right one. Our channel uploads quality videos daily, bringing you in-depth product recommendations to make your buying decisions easier. Stay tuned as we break down the best options available. Number 1. TempDrop Fertility and Ovulation Tracker. The TempDrop Fertility and Ovulation Tracker provides an advanced way to track your basal body temperature, BBT, and get a bird's-eye view of your fertility, no matter your conception goals. Your BBT1 is your at-rest body temp. It rises after you ovulate, which makes it one of the most well-known ways to understand changes in your fertility throughout your menstrual cycle. Tracking BBT can be helpful for people trying to achieve or avoid pregnancy. BBT usually needs to be taken first thing in the morning, but that can be difficult for people who have an irregular sleep pattern, says Miriam Bernstein, MD, OBGYN with Oneida Healthcare. That's why we love the TempDrop. You don't need to remember to take your temperature daily. Instead, simply attach the sensor to your upper arm using the flexible and extendable armband. Go to sleep, and wake up in the morning to a night's worth of temperature readings. You can add to the TempDrop app. Number 2. iProven Digital Basal Thermometer. If taking your daily BBT is an important part of your fertility tracking, but you don't have the budget for a fancy wearable thermometer like the TempDrop, the iProven Digital Basal Thermometer is a reliable, no-frills solution. It takes a reading in just 60 seconds, a time frame that makes a difference when you're lying in bed first thing in the morning and itching to get up and start your day. You won't get any fancy results or app synchronization with this thermometer, but you will get a protective case, a spare battery, and the freedom to use any app or pen and paper chart you choose. Offering temperature readings to the 100th degree, where other thermometers typically only go to the 10th, the iProven is more accurate than its competitors. It also comes in at less than $10, making it a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on usefulness. Number 3. Inedo Track and Confirm Ovulation and Fertility Monitor. For people who like the idea of a digital monitor but want even more fertility information and data access, the Inedo Track and Confirm monitor expands on the ovulation tracking offered by other options on this list, such as the Clearblue. Instead of seeing the results of your urine sample on a digital touchscreen monitor, you clip and sync the Inedo to your iPhone, open the Inedo app, and gain access to detailed fertility charts and conception recommendations. The real standout feature of the Inedo is its ability to measure estrogen, luteinizing hormone, and progesterone. Most ovulation test strips don't check progesterone levels. Higher levels of progesterone can confirm that ovulation occurred by 3. Inedo strips signal when you're fertile or are about to be, and they can also give you the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've probably ovulated. The other good news? You only need one test strip to acquire all this info, not separate strips for each measurement. Number 4. Mira Hormone Monitor Max Kit. The Mira Hormone Monitor Max Kit takes at-home fertility tracking to a new level. It tracks LH, estrogen, and progesterone levels to create a color-coded chart of your ovulation patterns each month. We selected this kit as our top pick for irregular cycles due to its comprehensive testing and top-notch accuracy. Our editor had just had a blood test with her OBGYN the previous week, and the kit numbers were right on track with her blood test results. This kit is high-tech, and we relied on the instructions pretty heavily the first few times we used it. However, once you get the hang of it, it's a user-friendly experience, especially when you consider how much data you receive. There's an egg-shaped analyzer that's charged via a micro USB cable, and the kit also comes with a box of wands. To track fertility, you can sync the analyzer with the app and insert the wands for results. Number 5. Prove Complete Testing System. Fertility monitors typically track LH, estrogen, and sometimes progesterone, But the Prove Complete testing system adds one more hormone to that list, FSH, or follicle stimulating hormone. FSH levels indicate egg quality, which is why FSH is a good marker to track if you're trying to conceive. Despite the impressive amount of data the monitor provides, the testing process is simple. Just dip the test strip into your urine for 10 seconds, then wait 10 minutes for results. We love that you can set up notifications on the app that tell you when you need to test. The results were consistently accurate and easy to interpret when we tested the monitor, and the app made it easy to track the entirety of our cycle to get the best possible picture of when we ovulated.